Okay, so I'm doing another walk around here. So, a little update. We're starting digging the swimming pool. That's what he's doing, along with leveling the dirt that I'm walking on, which is impossible. As you can see, the castle's being built. This is the front. That's Kenneth digging the swimming pool. I'm walking over here, you can see the rice fields. It's just beautiful. All the rice is being planted. It's almost done. Almost all of it's planted now. So this is the latest of the castle. Well, not the latest, but those are the protective serpents for the castle. You have to have that on the center posts. And you mean you're not done with my pool yet? God. So you're not done with the pool yet? Kenneth, he lives next door. Good kid. And so this is the new room right here, getting done. That's on the next bedroom. We need to get that done upstairs. You see, this is the opening. So I'm going to back up so you can see this a little better. So when you walk up to the front of the castle, this is what you're going to walk up to, along with the stairway that'll be here. And the front door, which we now have up. There's my brother-in-law, Manny. There's the stairs going to the second floor. New countertops.
This is white, this is black, sir.
Okay, hold on one sec. Not white. But not white. This is
gold.
What is this? And why is this out? Okay, nobody. No. Okay.